They laughed at your dreams, doubted your abilities, and tried everything they could to break your spirit. They called you foolish for dreaming big. They whispered behind your back, saying you'd never make it. They rolled their eyes when you spoke of goals they couldn't even comprehend. But what they didn't realize is that every insult, every rejection, every failure wasn't breaking you. It was building you. It was fueling your fire, sharpening your focus, and turning you into someone unstoppable. You see, you don't need to fight with words. You don't need to prove yourself through arguments. You don't need to waste your energy convincing people who never truly believed in you, because your success will shout louder than any words ever could. Let your achievements echo in the silence of those who once doubted you. Let your victories be the answer to every criticism, every eye roll, and every smirk you received on your way up. Every sleepless night, every lonely day when no one believed in your journey, those moments were not in vain. They were shaping your story. They were molding you into the person you're meant to become. The struggle you're facing now is not a sign of weakness, but a sign that you're on the path most are afraid to walk. And it is only the brave who dare to dream beyond limits, who rise above mediocrity, who create their own destiny. So keep going, even when the path is dark and the destination unclear. Keep going when no one claps for you, when your only support is your inner voice whispering, "Don't give up." Because there will come a day when all the pain will make sense. There will come a day when your journey will inspire others to rise. And on that day, those who doubted you, who laughed at you, who ignored you, they will have no choice but to watch you shine, to stand silently in the presence of your greatness. The sweetest revenge is not anger. It's not bitterness. It's not proving them wrong with hate. The sweetest revenge is rising so high that they can't reach you anymore. It's walking into rooms they tried to keep you out of. It's living a life so full of purpose and passion that they regret ever doubting you. Every champion was once a beginner. Every hero once stood where you stand now, full of doubt, full of fear, but full of fire. So rise. Rise not to prove others wrong, but to prove to yourself that you were always right to believe. Your success story is still being written, word by word, day by day, step by step. And one day, you'll look back and thank the pain, the rejections, the heartbreaks, because they didn't break you, they built you. So to anyone who ever doubted you, thank them, because they unknowingly pushed you to become everything they said you couldn't be. Keep going, keep growing, keep believing, because success is the best revenge.